Hey, this is Mike, and today we're going to be learning about adding context to 360-degree images. There are a few different tools that are involved in this, and each one of them is going to be useful in teaching you a set of skills that are helpful when you're thinking about projects in the digital humanities. This will be especially important if you're doing things like developing websites or creating online resources. So let's take a look first at the example that we're all going to be working with in this tutorial. So you can see here that I've got a 360-degree image. This one happens to be of St. Petersburg. And one of the things that you can do with this is, and this is on the web, one of the things that you can do with this is you can create hotspots, text boxes, and other kind of rich contextualized opportunities so that people who are looking at an image might get some more information. This would be very different than if you're looking at an image in Google Street View, where you don't really have the ability to let people know, for example, a history of a place or something like that. So up here you can see there's a little arrow, and it says go to Red Square, Moscow. So we're in St. Petersburg right now, and if I click on that arrow, now it's going to take us to Red Square in Moscow, and let the image resolve for a moment. And we're in this 360 view of Red Square in Moscow, right? And we can do the same thing. We create an arrow, and we can let people know what happens when they click on that arrow. It's going to take them to Palace Square in St. Petersburg, and I'll click on that. So I've created a portal. So there's a portal that takes you from St. Petersburg to Red Square. And this is not only available on the web, but one of the cool things is, since it's a website that is 360-degree enabled, you also can use this in a VR headset, so you can have a panoramic image and you can interact with it. So that's the basic idea, and we're going to take a few videos to take a look at how we're going to accomplish this.